Oh my gosh. Don't freeze on me now.
Jerome Powell is speaking at 10:30.
Yes, he is.
Well, that's a guarantee.
All right. Do we just want to run it to highs? See if they can continue this momentum over those equal highs we just took out. If we end up just dropping and taking out this low again, I expect that 435. We can hold here though, get some further momentum. I like these London highs. See if there's any setups in between.
AMD with a big pop out of the gate of 3%.
Ooh. Yeah, I can see that.
That sucks. I had swung NVIDIA. I picked the wrong one to swing.
Oh, it's just like, I was like, what's NVIDIA doing? I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's nothing. What the
Yeah,
hell?
I'm green like 8%, but like I felt, it's okay. It's okay.
Amazon. Oh, let me check the Apple swing for the credit spread. Apple credit spread is up 93%.
Very nice.
Apple is at what, 248. These expire on to Wednesday. They expire on Wednesday.
Oh, take a little dibby dibby.
It's glitching from Maple. Yeah, they always single Maple out every time. Maple, try again if you can hear me. All right, dropping. We'll back up at 435. We have an hourly gap down here. If we don't end up holding that, my long thesis goes out the window.
Yeah, I'm waiting right now, playing it slow right now.
Yep. Yes. Yes. Oh no. Hourly lows taken on NQ. Very nice. I want to see. I do want to see us hold this area though.
Mm. Mm. Okay, market taking a dippy.
Yeah, we're coming into this hourly gap. I'd really like to see us hold this and be able to move higher from it. Still looking quite heavy here though. So I'm just chilling. Trying to get under this hourly gap. They can do it. If they do that, I see London 350, 360 area coming into play. London lows.
Yep.
Yeah, reminder, we were down just about 1% last night, if not a little bit more. And then we totally turned around, just went up 1%, and now we're going back to zero right now.
My long thoughts might be going out the window if we're drilling into this 420.
Order filled.
Ooh, who's that?
That was me selling my shirt.
Someone's getting freaky and getting some trades in. I like it. Nice short.
Thanks. I didn't call it out. I was just scalping a little bit. So I didn't spend too much money.
Good to see you.
Good morning, Carl.
Good morning.
Happy Monday, baby. It's a beautiful one.
Ooh, Joey,
I
Joey,
find it very
Joey.
hard to believe that they did not want to tap that 4-hour gap.
Pushed into the London opening range, 403 down to 364 on NQ. If you want to scout this, I think lower time frame CBC, I'm using the 3-minute is a good basis of risk, but we are extended from the 3-minute 20, which implies increased risk.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, good,
Yo, what's up?
good morning.
I'm about to cross 7 million in volume already.
Which is fair.
Potential
It's
CVU up
high
on
volume.
NQ 347. Trail stop loss and profit. Here we go. 60 points.
Very nice.
I got a bad habit of adding ladders into the orb, so I'll just let this one ride. But again, if you're scalping this, take your 10, 15 points and move to the next account.
Yeah, I'm all out of my short there.
If anyone still has the MRVL 94% coins that are in the money for the 17th, they're at $565 per contract here.
Huge. Give your boy the back pass.
Haven't traded this name in a while since with Jordan, like a year ago, but random name that had some strength the last few sessions. Kroger, ticker KR.
Kroger. It was either Shopify or Kroger. Which one?
Yeah, so Kroger back tested the $70 cycle level on Wednesday session. It had a nice move Thursday. It actually ripped all day Friday off a daily trend line. Stock's still holding up pretty good. A few other names. TGT has had a last 2 good sessions. You got some resistance up at 121.50, but decent.
They're trying to long it. Big buys came in the 90s.
M's not here, so I guess I'm allowed to talk about it. There's some Walmart put flow that's coming in.
400s is a spot to reject. Based on that liquidity. There was a huge order in the 940 candle at 407s. And we're rejecting off of it.
Here we go. If 70s, 80s fail here, we see 20s, 30s, which would breach VWAP on NQ. Here we go. I got to see a close under 370.
Okay.
They're still short, so short gamma. That is crazy. They're still short over 2 billion. On ES, just ES.
Yep, I'm just watching.
I want NQ to get down another 30 points here.
There's some covering into VWAP, but still looks like it's weak.
All right, we got 30 orb, less than 10 minutes. Good shorts. There's VWAP there. 95 points. Gold also coming into previous day high. I think it's also a VWAP back test. I don't know if I want to take it here.
I grabbed the long for a scalp on QQQ.
I'm Tesla long. I've got some Tesla calls. Very, very small position. If we lose low a day, I'll cut it quick.
I'm looking for longs, but I'm waiting another 20.
It
I want another 20 points down.
seemed like there was a lot of covering into it. A lot of excess around 350s. I'm fine.
We need some real high volume to continue to dump this hard. And I think we get a little relief bounce. And then from there, create the new leg down or not. That was heavy volume though, which on the SPY and Qs historically, when it's heavier volume, it's always short volume. So already about 25% Tesla. I'm going to take a trim just to reduce some of my risk. Not because I usually want to only hold a trade for a minute and a half.
Very nice.
Next trim will be 366.70.
I'm looking to take this off at 400.
We had about 40%. We just had a red candle though, but we did it about 40% right there.
Come on, another 25 points. Dropping biatch.
I took some Apple calls.
Gold short scalp.
Down there near those lows.
I actually like Apple here too.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a little trim off right here as we're back testing this pre-market low area. But a lot of bottom wicks there on the 5-minute, just risking that 247.30 area. Decent little pop.
Some sales coming in, but still excess from VWAP, which I like. Gotta break those 65s. They're trying. I broke through, cut it there. That's fine. I'd take that trade again.
Powell speaking 35 minutes.
What's his ass speaking about?
He is. It's gonna be interesting.
What's he speaking about?
100-point gain, M&Q, covered down to the runners, GG.
You said J Pow today? Is that
Yeah,
what I heard?
wait, what's he speaking about?
He's speaking at Harvard at 10:30 a.m. Eastern.
Trying to long on Qs here. Wish me luck.
He just tapped into 4-hour lows. It's a big gap here. I like this area. I'm back looking for longs if we're trading in this area now, but I don't know if we're gonna get that.
Looking for a bounce here on this 325, 330. It could just bust it right through though.
It's like I'm looking to buy a dip on SPY and Qs, but it's like might as well
It's just
fill
so
this
bearish.
gap. Yeah, like I'm not seeing any buyers step in. I'm like,
Well, we also just went
yeah,
we also just went green to red there, so that's another reason why I did it.
You know, I'm taking a micron long here. It's a little foresee, but
Oh, MU, I want 340.
I'm at 344.86.
The 21 EMA on the weekly is 340. We're so close.
Understood.
I've been watching that. These two are the names I want to buy right now. Oh, I'm probably gonna get stopped in this NQ if they drop it hard here.
Yeah, I just got on that micron. That's fine.
Oh, dump it, baby, dump it. Look at the 3-minute CBC. Any of those 3-minute candles were good risk with previous candle high. As you could use hard stop or like right above it.
Very nice, very nice.
Gold, I do want to see previous day high, but you know they're kind of keeping me hostage right here. Break even.
That's okay. I take both those trades again.
MU, come on, another $2, another 2. By the way, IWM is coming into major long spots too.
is if you look at your sectors, there's only 2 sectors that are red, and it's your industrials and your technology. Every other sector in the entire market is green right now. Healthcare, energy, finance, consumer staples, communication, materials, retail,
No
home
back
builders.
Holy shit. It's crazy.
Like
beautiful price
we're
action
just-
if you've been short, but it's just like fuck it. Yeah. If you didn't grab short right away, it's like
it was a short out of the gate, and other than that, like
these
what
like
else do you
micro
do?
back tests on a 1 minute I'm not taking, dude. I need a real back test at some sort of level here.
It's like every 5-minute candle
That's
is
hard.
red, but 90% of our sectors are green.
Is interesting. What a crazy
No
morning.
bounce.
10-point gain gold, covered half, trail stop loss, GG.
Oh my
That's good.
god, look at ES.
Yes.
Yes. Breaking the value every little.
What's up,
AMD
Spaces?
gave it all
What's
back.
up?
What's up, dude?
Carne asada.
Oh,
Like it is.
Yo, what's up, gas point? Oh, gold's going to VWAP, baby. Here we go, almost 20 points on it.
Marvell is
140
dead.
points
Marvin.
on MNQ here. 300 bill breaker. Scale and trail, please.
Jesus Christ, I just nuked my FPS. I just got 8.
Oh,
I think it's good. What Casey just said too about a lot of sectors being green. If you feel like you are a stronger upside trader, there's something you can trade. I prefer to trade upside. So I know, shocker, but you know, a lot of people, you know, you can find something. There's always something to trade that, you know, whether you're an upside or downside trader, preferably.
There's always a bull market somewhere.
Hell yeah. It doesn't make you a perma bull if you prefer to trade upside. Same thing with perma bears, you know. If Tesla could get above 360, 350, I do like it again for calls. And I know Casey also mentioned Apple. I'm also watching Apple for calls.
I'm in MU 350 calls for April 10th.
Let's go.
I just took a scalp here.
I added to my QQQ calls.
He's in it.
I want to see a move over 350. Come on. Don't fook me. IWM, I should have grabbed that too. Look at IWM just bouncing very strong over $1 now and still going.
I'm trailing my stop on that scalp NQ I just mentioned. Let it go red.
Need NQ over 335, and that would be beautiful.
$64.23 is a lot of sells there on ES. There, hitting it.
I trimmed that NQ.
Come on, get over 335. Get 335. Come on. Be nice to me. Be nice to me. There we go. 337.
Boom. Let's go.
I want to see 349. That's where I want to start trimming. Come on. I do love, I was going to do IWM over QQQ, and IWM is up $1.30 while Q's is not where I wanted it. Wait.
I was just talking about the exact same thing in Discord. I was like, I'm looking for longs down here. SPY Q's and IWM. I was like, IWM filled the gap first.
Yeah.
I was like, it's getting a better reaction down here versus SPY and QQQ.
Damn bastards.
Boom. Slide my stop up some more on that NQ scalp.
Nice.
Nice.
Come on, get it. Show me 349, 349, 349, 349.
I'm not really excited about most of these charts right now.
5-minute bullish Harami there on NQ.
I mean, I like the bounce NQ had. I want to see like a decisive bounce, not these new mid-range.
Yeah.
Super, like these just middle, long wicks on top of each 1 minute candle. Not my favorite.
MU still looks disgusting. APP. I
Sorry.
think APP can sell off.
Mm-hmm.
a lot more. There's a gap to fill lower. That thing is drilling right now.
Yeah, NQ just dropped 30 points there.
Yeah. As soon
It's
as
like-
I
it's like-
said that.
It's like I want to go long, but I'm not seeing any buyers really step into this. And this gap fill just right below, it's like I'd rather just wait for that. But they're also not bouncing it enough to get in short. And I'm not chasing the short down here, so it's tough for a lot of these charts right here.
It is a short week too this week.
Oh yeah, what day do we have off?
Well, it's a
Friday.
short week.
And why?
Yeah, Friday's closed.
Mm-hmm. Good Friday.
What's Friday?
Good Friday.
Good Friday. Thank you, Lord and Savior Jesus.
Good Friday for the
Oh,
Gregorian
okay.
calendar. The Julian calendar is next week.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Anyways, Jordan, that's tech right there with the different calendars.
I'm on the
Love that,
Julian calendar, brother. I'm not on the Gregorian.
I love that, bro.
We're sticking to the old days, you know, a tradition.
Yeah,
I mean, we couldn't even get to like dead cat bounce, 25% retracement on from that opening pop on NQ, just nasty, ugly.
Nasty.
They're nice little, scalps for a couple minutes, but for us to really start pushing, I want to see those orders coming in. Let's go, come on. Like you said, I can't short here. It hasn't been enough of a pop, but the longer weak is F. So
that 5-minute bullish Rami. They try to bring it down here, and now they're wicking this hammer candle on the next one. Need to see 349. 349 to 360. Let's see if they do it.
sorry.
Guess who shorted from the top?
MINX.
Uh-huh. My damn Vertex engine is on point. Short bearish and not like that. Resonates with me.
Huge.
Wow, they really wicked that to not bring it higher? That's interesting. $10 about to close as a bullish on me too.
Bullish. I am bullish.
You are bull?
I think it's weird that this hasn't knifed again.
Yes, yes, yes. Get up there. And right back down. Yeah, oh yeah. Come on. 350 to 360. 350 to 360.
I like those two candles better than all 5 of the candles the first time we tried to pop. So, but we'll see. But it's lower volume, so we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, 10-minute bullish Arami too. There's my 349. Did we hit it? Yeah, we got it now. Okay, I'm trimming.
Nice, you got some excess right there below you up before you bounce too. They're selling it, but you can still absorb it.
Okay, I trimmed. They made me pay for it. I mean, they made me wait for it. Oh, look at that. Yikes.
We got Powell speaking in 20.
Well, we know he's not going to bring any fun to the party.
It's a bummer.
I'm closing my MU longs too. Got over $1.50 here. I'm just gonna take it off because everything just still looks really weak.
Pepsi and KO were flying this morning with 4 hour squeezes upside. Little off the wall. Individual. Pan W is also up 6%. Just a weird one.
This could be it. I mean, we could get a little pop here.
We could.
Nvidia's starting to pop really nicely. Tesla held better than most of the megas this morning. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind selling some puts.
Yeah, I was looking at that. You could go pretty decent out. What 23 169? Let's see. 23 169. That's 23,084. 23 610. MU did get that bounce at that 340. It's up well, it was just up $7 there. It just dropped $2 really quick. Watch iDubbbz here. 243 to 243.30. If it rejects here, could be a good short. Rah.
There's so much to say.
I don't know what that feels like. Little dogs barking, I'll tell you what. No clue.
Oh, IWM hit by 243 and rejected. Fook. But market looks like it actually does want to get a bounce. Bounty.
Yeah, they dropped that. If you're looking at a 10-minute, 10-10, 10 o'clock, they dropped that 10-10 wick to the largest price of orders on the 10 o'clock candle and then bounced it.
Yeah. I'm going to close all my QQQ longs here.
NQ's getting a nice little push, but it's kind of looks identical to the Q's though. So
Yeah, that 5-minute hammer after the little bullish around me was very nice.
boys, I got shook out. Yeah, I sold on that candle. So
I know. I was thinking about it.
Nice conviction there.
I was thinking about it. IWM, I probably should have shorted the 243, like I said.
384 has a lot of sell liquidity. Projecting off the right now, that's the next spot to bounce. To break through.
Yeah, it looks like we're selling off of VWAP right now. I came right up to it on the 10-minute and pushing a little bit down on it. Monday's midpoint. We got the body candle low of Friday right here below us.
Might make a
We're
little
gonna go down.
Yeah, might make one of those lowercase h patterns.
Mm-hmm. 1 minute kind of just wedged up a little bit, and now we're kind of breaking down out of that. So looks like more orders just showed up on Bookmap down at 250, 226. It's the most prominent line of liquidity I'm looking at. And another 200 orders south of that, like between 150 and 175.
We need a Taco King tweet. Come on.
I think I might try a short right here.
I see the vision.
Right there at 62. I'm in one in Q.
Hold below 58 is great for that.
All right, there's 10 points. See the flush off of VWAP.
I'm pretty much done trading, you guys.
Ooh.
Very nice.
Love that. I want to see a little bit more blood. All right, here's the slam. All right, I'm gonna put my stop at 52, or I'll put it at 54. Classy stuff. Really want to see some acceleration on this candle. 2 minutes left on this 10-minute candle. I want to see it slam.
The only thing I have currently is an SPX put credit spread. Other than that, if you look at your options chain, especially on your calls, for like SPY and QQQ, they're really not gaining that much value at all on any green candles upside. So long with call options does not seem favorable. It almost seems like either scalp the futures side or sell options, and preferably the put options, because you get more premium and go farther out of the money because they're juiced a little bit more than your calls.
All right, here we go. There's the acceleration I'm talking about. Sliding my stops to 45 above this 1 minute candle. I'd like to see a lower day.
Risk off environment, short the box.
Short him.
I saw it.
That was a classy entry.
Grazie.
I should have shorted the IWM. Shit.
Probably should have taken it off at 15, but my stop's at 45. Leaving some points on the table if it hits.
You might get one more chance.
I might. I don't know.
It might happen or it might not happen.
I came up and stopped me, but nice little play right there. savvy.
This is a weird spot right now.
Mm-hmm.
I think we push more here. We'll see though.
They hold 330. I'm with you. That's where they were stuck before when I was long.
I mean, it's got to go one way or the other right here in VWAP. Like, just do something.
So you're telling me it's got to go up or down? I
It's
like
like
it.
John Madden analysis. Well, the key to trading is you got to bet one way or the other. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down.
Yeah, if we can break like 23,385, I think we head up to like 24,440. We'll see though. It's a big if. We could just chop here like we have every day. Or we
Might
start
re-enter
chopping
this
after
short.
the first.
Just resell my stop, my buy stop, which would be right here at 45, 46. Oh, missed it. Oh, all right. I filled at 36, 10 points south of that. Short.
Gold still selling here. Looking nice right on VWAP, London Orb. Scale and trail along the way.
Dude, a name that I'm so surprised never got any love is Klarna. They just sold that thing ever since IPO.
Yeah, that one got moved.
Ed Moran is speaking, guys.
Yeah, Powell's about to come on in 8 minutes too.
Yeah.
So I say sell everything. We're going past. Going down to 23K, baby. Or they're gonna have some tomfoolery going on right now.
IB is going to be forming here too. Probably should take out the low on that. I'm just not super bearish in this area after taking out 4-hour lows.
Yeah, my stop's right above here.
But yeah, I can see a quick new low a day with IB data.
If we get above this little pop at 380, we're getting a put spread.
I'm already in, baby.
Yeah.
Like $105 out of the money right now on SPX.
Is there any gamma levels around? Not really.
635 I had on SPY.
ES is still irresponsibly short gamma. It is just disgusting.
Yeah.
You got 6,400, like 6,450, 6,460. Just butted through them this morning, and we broke about 64 last night.
Come on, just accelerate down.
It's weird being so far away from the flips. QQ isn't short as much gamma, but flip is really, really far.
Whoa, someone's laundry.
Yeah, it's laundry time. Trip laundry. Job of having a greater Swiss Mountain Dog. Always doing laundry. All right, someone just pulled a keeper right here.
Yeah, we're not pushing
Empty net.
through.
Empty net 'em. That was a really loud dryer sound. It wasn't an indicator going off, I can assure you that.
Let me take a guess. The brand, was it a Samsung dryer?
Negative. That's an LG sound.
I was gonna
Sounds
say
like an old-
LG.
Yeah, it's an old
LG.
school ringtone.
That's how you know we're shopping and coming into an event.
Talking about that. I'm right at my cost basis, like right here on this short, so.
What are you short?
NQ. Just one lot.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, Dev?
What's up, man? Yeah, you know, it's I mean, we can see this was just a real sluggish area from Friday, right? So, I mean, it's logical that we're just kind of pausing here. I mean, basically the edge goes to short-term shorts right in here. I'm long from down in the 300 area, and I've already scaled plenty of times simply with the idea. I just left a couple on. I've gotten in and out of them, you know, basically bought back a few scales. I mean, my theoretical average is probably down around 240, 250. And the idea I have is like, with after two massive moves down, I'm just looking for, my expectation is more of an inside day. And I can see this really big low volume pocket above here between 380 and 450. So I'm just kind of playing it out. I'm low expectations for the day given the environment. You know, I'm probably net long, maybe a 6 size right now, with the idea that at some point during the day we could go fill that volume in. So I'm just kind of taking a relaxed approach. But definitely kind of the edges to the shorts right in here. We've already had consecutive more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute periods with VPOC above. So I wouldn't be surprised if the low of day is retested here. But that's just kind of what I'm playing out, just the overall idea for the day.
Yeah. Pal's about to speak too.
Yeah. Powell 2 minutes, Trump 2.5 minutes. Yeah, I kind of forgot about that for that reason. Probably would have made sense to at least scale another contract or exit, get flat, but
Yeah,
whatever.
I just put my stop like slightly in profit. We'll see what happens. It's all about preserving capital.
It is. Bingo. Totally with you.
Absolutely. I've been trading partial positions for the last couple weeks here, so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I think I've had one full size trade and maybe it's been 3 or 4 weeks, full size trade on IQ, full size. Typically, I mean, when you get a weird environment, automatically you're half size, right? And then maybe you're automatically quarter size. With the prevailing moves, it's like you can still pick up a lot of points in very small positions. It still works out.
Exactly.
And you manage your risk very efficiently. Yeah.
Yeah, we've had a lot of unorthodox price action lately too. Absolutely. Absolutely insanity.
That's very diplomatic.
Well, I'm trying to stay PC, so.
Oh, yeah, screw that.
Oh, you don't want to hear me in Discord, I'll tell you what.
PC meaning piece of crap. There we go.
Yeah, I kind of left in our Discord. I'll let the language fly a little bit, especially when I got a trade going. It's all about, come on, bitch, let's go.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right, ladies and gentlemen of the space, I have an offensive amount of coding to do, so I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Stay safe.
Sounds good to guys.
Hey,
Sounds so
later.
fun. You enjoy that.
Peace out, everybody.
Later, Jim.
Joe?
You got Microsoft pushing up to the high. And everything else looks like shit. There's nothing
Yeah, we're chopping.
to match that look good.
Financials are healthy. They look
Yeah,
good.
XLF is holding very good this morning despite IWM sell-off at the open.
Mhm. I mean, VIX is off $1. I mean, Goldman, kind of the leader, up $7-8. I mean, there's evidence there that I'm not saying. I don't think we're gonna see like a real breakdown today. But that's just linear off the components. I mean, all you need is a tweet and it negates everything, right? Which is why we're trading with small size.
Yeah. Microsoft has a gap to fill to 365.19. I mean, if this continues with its strength and you start to see the market start to rebound overall, this could be a little bit of a leader today within tech.
I mean, look at SMH. I mean, that's down pretty heavy. Need to get some Kmart buyers there.
Microsoft new high. Pushing here, nice candle.
Yeah,
It's the only thing that looks good.
it is. I mean, look at Broadcom and Sam and
I know. I had
Micron. Micron. Oh, wow.
watch.
Yeah. The things that had really, like tech heavy, really hot tickers the last 6 months a lot of them got obliterated.
Oh, you mean like all 6 of them that I
Yeah.
loaded up on 2 months ago?
That's always fun, isn't it?
MNQ short, 10-minute green.
I was up huge. I forget, it was like Shay or somebody. It was like, these are the 6 you got to own. Well, I opened a separate fund and it's like I went all in on 6 of them. I mean, fortunately, I scaled a number of them with healthy profits, but still, oh, bloody hell.
Yeah, Pepsi's still pushing higher. So is KO. Both of those mentioned a little bit ago. New highs. I mean, just these off the wall kind of individual names. Pepsi's now up 2.6% on the day, over 157. KO's 4-hour squeeze is finally starting to cool off, so it fired.
Well, Powell must be talking right now.
He is. The YouTube is live for it. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Bill Breaker 300 potential, maybe previous day low 269 NQ.
Yep. Definitely setting up for a low day retest.
IWM's already coming back down to equal lows here. Watch this for just continuation. Sell off down to 240.3 if we start to break down. I mean, QQQ just looks like a little 5-minute bear flag. It can't even get above a 5-minute 9 EMA right now. Your dollar DXY just made another high. It's the highest since May of 2025.
Covered half MNQ, just a de-risk.
Smart man. Hey, you just had consecutive time frames, for the last, 20 minutes, pushing down.
300 bill breaker right here at bat.
Nice.
Market gives you opportunities under 300, you take it.
Yeah, I took a scale at 320. I mean, I at least got to take a credit.
There we go. New low of day. Shorts all the way from 440, still nice. And we just hit that ladder in 330s. Make sure you scale out. I took another quarter off. New low of day.
And this is an NQ gap fill too, so you're going to get some algos coming in here. Smart area to scale. Kind of expecting a little pushback to the VPOC here at 330. Add a little to the long there off of that one scale. I mean, this just doesn't look healthy at all. I mean, just call it what it is, right? I mean, I'm just kind of playing the old textbook, like the two big moves. Typically by the, that third day, the middle of that day is typically when you get a little bit of reversal or consolidation. So, but Trump tweeting and foul talking, they don't really care about my thoughts.
Trump is saying progress is made in talks with Iran.
Yep.
All right, y'all, I got another stream starting in a few minutes, so I got to hop out here. Bye, guys.
All right,
Take care.
See ya later, Emma Gemma.
Yeah, I'm actually going to jump on the stream too. So too many audio inputs in my ear. So I'm going to jump off for a little bit, y'all. Well, everyone, appreciate it. Much love.
Catch you later.
So that add to the long, I took a scale at 318 there, 315, excuse me. 30-point scale. All I'm doing is kind of building credits around this core thesis. But we got a lot of heavy lifting to get through this upper part all the way through 370.
Gov, I haven't seen you in a while. How you been, man?
Good. How you doing?
Can't complain. Life is good.
Oh, very good. Yeah, we've been busy with. Obviously, I've got my room too, and then the one that I share with Nara and Smooth, and then we've got all our stuff working with the Clear Edge. So it's been real busy. It's been a busy, fun time. And actually, the market, I traded the market well. So I mean, it's been pretty absolute killer first quarter.
I've noticed a lot of demonstrations on Clear Edge in the last couple months.
Yeah. And you know what? We added a couple of employees on back in January. So it really has kind of provided a lot of breadth and depth into our, to the support room. And it was like, we've got a real healthy base. I mean, since January 1st, we added those guys. And I think we've more than doubled, we've more than doubled our subscription base.
That's awesome.
It's good stuff. We got a real, something new coming out. We got a real nice, cool software tool, coming out that'll be basically emitting signals specifically within Clear Edge as opposed to having to go outside. So it's going to be, you'll like it. It's especially effective when, live trading sessions. as well as, for various leaderships within, having your own Discord rooms, the trades you're calling out and all that. It's like, so stay tuned. It'll be really cool. So our guy, our lead software guy, he's kind of perfecting the beta right now.
ES never took out the low.
Here we go. Flush it. Short green, cover red. Previous day low sweep should be intact here. 70s, 80s fail. We typically see 20s, 30s next.
Yep.
But we should trail our stops and profit.
So my add to the long, I scaled most of them right below VBOX. So right at 320, 325, 330 there. So.
New lows again in Q. There's 50 points. Trying to take out the initial short at 200. And I'm going to try to hold this one for the next again. If 70s, 80s fail, you see 20s, 30s. My entry's at 33. That gives me the opportunity of another 100 pointer.
Nice.
Yo, Maple, I think it's a good time to do ones and twos now.
Yes, sir. Yo, Wolfpack. How is everyone trading?